So, you're looking to get into this online trading world, right? Or maybe you already are an online trader, and this is a Forex broker that you maybe should know about. Or should you? Listen, they claim a tempting offer. They have some high leverage, low entry, but is it worth it? Not sure if this video is going to get a pass, so do me a favor, give me a good thumbs up over there, add this to your favorites so you don't get it lost. And this is XeroMarkets. It's a new Forex trader on the block. They're making waves online and they have this attractive entry threshold and competitive spreads. That's right, their low entry threshold is just $10, making it easy for new traders to get in without breaking your bank. Then their spreads, well, they're highly competitive. Let me tell you, they have a markup of 1 pip per quote, which means you're going to get the bang for your buck. Plus, their streamlined approach with only one trading platform, the MT5, and 2 account types. Listen, it can be appealing to those who prefer no-frills experiences. But what really caught our attention was the high leverage ratio, 1 to 500. That means you can potentially make huge profits with even a small investment. So keep it in mind that high leverage also means higher risk, and that's not suitable for everyone. But as we've mentioned so many times in our previous videos, go give it a good review before you want to dive deep. We all know that things that are too good to be true are probably not, and there is a catch. This XeroMarkets operates without any regulatory license, which is a big no for your investors. That's right, they're not regulated, and regulatory license are literally the essentials for a Forex broker, and make sure they operate ethically, transparently, and within the law. The lack of a regulatory oversight raises many questions about their legitimacy, the safety of the company as a whole, and the security of your funds as a client. So I'm going to give you one guess where their headquarters are located. That's right. XeroMarkets, their headquarters is in the St. Vincent and Grenadines, also known as the offshore jurisdiction, and that raises further concerns. Listen, we've exposed tons of brokers and they were all located in the St. Vincent and Grenadines, so you need to double check things out. And on top of that, they don't even disclose their fees and commissions. Listen, that's another huge concern for transparency. But wait, there is more. There's always more. Look, rumor has it the CEO of XeroMarkets held a meeting recently and they've announced that they're closing down, firing all staff within 2 weeks. Oh, sorry, they are working from home until May 14, 2023. The CEO has also promised to liquidate assets and pay withdrawals to clients, but he didn't even give any specifics of the dates. What? If that's not suspicious at all, I'm pretty sure that, well, they're just going to be running off to the sunset with countless investors' money, and they're going to leave those victims with nothing but tears and regrets. You see how a regulated broker is so important now. That's to say, a broker who is regulated and has a good reputation is precious. Overall, WikiFX is giving XeroMarkets a pitiful 1.93 out of 10. And if you're looking for a reliable broker, check out WikiFX. We got your back. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. Follow us to stay tuned on more updates on XeroMarkets. And hey, as always, stay safe out there, trader.